Hey YouTubers, Travis Michael here. I want to show you something really awesome. Okay, we're up here in the UP, and look at this view. Look at it. Look at this view. Look. See this view? Look at this view. Wow, that's a beautiful view, huh? Well, watch this. I'm gonna show you something really funky. See this? Watch. Wait for it. Keep your eye on the Dorito. Okay, watch. Sit it right here. Watch. Watch. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. You're missing it. He'll come back around. It's Alfred Hitchcock's Attack of the Birds!